Hi, I'm Boggs, a senior PPC specialist at Autoshop Solutions. In this video, I'll go over some campaign types and how they align with your advertising goals, as well as what budgets to consider for these campaigns. Before we begin, I want to let you know that we've created a free white paper to summarize everything I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you want to download that to follow along, we've included it in the link in the description below. Shops typically focus on one of two goals: generating leads or building awareness. For generating leads and increasing car count, Google search ads are undoubtedly the most effective campaign type. With Google search ads, you can bid to have your ad show up at the top of the page when people search for what your business has to offer. These ads can also show up on Google Maps when people search nearby. For these types of campaigns, we recommend a minimum of $500 per month per service that you want to be found for best results. For Euro or specialty shops, keywords tend to be more cost competitive, so we recommend raising this number to at least $750 a month per service per make. Performance Max campaigns combined with search campaigns can form a power duo for generating leads. Performance Max campaigns run across all of Google's networks, including Search, Display, YouTube, Discover, and Gmail. We've seen Performance Max campaigns bring in leads for anywhere from half to even 1/4 the cost per lead compared to search campaigns, though you should have a search campaign running and performing well before starting a Performance Max campaign for best results. Since Performance Max campaigns run across YouTube as well, you should have a video for your business before starting this type of campaign. We recommend at least $500 as a starting point for Performance Max campaigns, in addition to your existing search campaign. When it comes to building awareness, we recommend either Google Display or video ads or Facebook ads, depending on your business goals, but we typically recommend a starting budget of at least $150 either way. Facebook ads are best suited for businesses who are doing things like running a special promotion, such as a discount on a particular service, rebranding or relocating, or promoting a new offer or benefit like being voted #1 repair shop in the city. Google Display ads are best for businesses with larger budgets whose product may require multiple touch points or the customer may do extensive research before purchasing. These are also good for remarketing to past customers or building brand awareness or recognition over time. Video ads can run on YouTube, and great situations for these include testimonials, company mission or vision, shop tours, or anything else to demonstrate the benefit of choosing your shop over any other. Whichever display type advertising you choose to run, you will need at least one image or video to use for ad creative. This can include text or not, depending on which type of ad you run, so be sure to have 1 to 15 high-quality images or up to 5 videos ready before you begin. Keep in mind that these are all just starting amounts, but these numbers may change depending on your business's goals, competition, and the market. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and hit that bell icon to be notified when we post it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.